Hello guys, Steve here, ShenRC, and what we're going to do today is we're going to see if these Tamiya ESCs are waterproof. This is the TBLE 02S. I have a picture up here, take a look at it. I took one apart to waterproof it and coat it with that clear stuff, but it already looks like it is coated, so I'm wondering if they're waterproof. So what I'm going to do right here is I put one in this truck. I got some water. And we're going to turn it on and wet it and see what happens. Get the body off here. There's the ESC. I'll get a better view of it. I just want to get this ready. I'll turn on my radio here. Put a pack in it. If it blows, it blows. And we'll find out if they're waterproof. Because I swear, they do look like they are from taking it apart. Radio's on. Alright, let's see if I can prop this beauty up. Alright, now I'm going to get a better angle. Alright. There it is, everything's working. Now I got this water here. I'm just gonna tilt this and pour some directly in it. Oh. Let me turn it around first so you guys could see. Oh, that's more than when you go riding. So we'll see if this works. And it's not working. So there you have it. They're not waterproof. Let me shut this down real quick. And now it's working. So maybe it is waterproof. Let me give it another douse of water. I may just have like water staining a part over here. Now if you're running around. Alright, let's see if it's still working. Still working. I think the brushless pot here may have had water filled in it. Let's douse it again. I don't think you'll ever get that much water in it. Still working. I think they're waterproof, guys. This thing's got to be filled with water. I put like a whole cup and a half. You could see the ESC's underwater. Now it's shut down. So I think they may be splash proof, guys. Let me unplug this. I don't think you're ever going to go underwater with it. Now it's working again. So I would say they're not fully waterproof, but if you run like in snow and a little water and you get it splashed, I think that'll be okay. Because it's gobbed with water. I just re-shut it off and put it back on. It's working fine. So there you have it. The Tamiya TBLE 02S ESCs. I think they're splash proof, waterproof. I really doused it good. So that's it, guys. It's still working. You've seen all the water I put in this sucker. If you like the video, guys, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel and you're just watching this now. I have a lot of nice content with RCs and all mods and stuff. Hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And leave me a comment. I always like the comments. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Shen RC, I'll see you next time. Guys, I let it sit for like 10 minutes. Still working. There's nothing wrong. So I would say safe to go through water with these ESCs. Whoa! That's it, guys.